The given polynomial is a naught x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus so on an. Then the leading coefficient is a naught, which is coefficient of x power n. That a naught equal to 1, then it is called the monic polynomial. Okay? So leading coefficient equal to 1, then it is called the monic polynomial. Okay? So that means, so this is not a monic polynomial. This is not a monic polynomial. So because what is the leading here? Highest degree term x square. So the leading coefficient is 3. Okay? Na? If leading coefficient is 1, then it is monic polynomial. For example, x cube plus 5x square plus 7 equal to 0. Here leading coefficient is 1. So it is the monic polynomial. Clear? Okay. Now we have to find the monic polynomial whose roots are 2, 3, 6. Right? So what is the answer? Roots are given. So x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma equal to 0. Yeah. And now that is x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 6 equal to 0. So simplify this. So x square minus 5x plus 6 into x minus 6 is equal to 0. Yeah. And now x cube minus 5x square plus 6x minus 6x square plus 30x, okay, minus 36 equal to 0. So x cube minus 5 minus 6 minus 11x square plus 36x minus 36 equal to 0. Yeah. So this is one way of solving this problem. So what is another way? So what is another way? This is one way of solving this problem. So what is another way? Since roots are given, okay, since roots are given, so the monic polynomial can be written as, the monic polynomial can be written as so x cube minus s1 x square plus s2x minus s3 equal to 0. The relation between the coefficients and the roots. Okay, fine. So x cube minus, what is s1? What is s1? S1 equal to sigma alpha, which equal to 2 plus 3 6. So 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 6 11. S2, that is sigma alpha beta. Sigma alpha beta. So that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, which is 2 into 3 6, 3 into 6 18 plus 6 into 2 12, which is 36. Next S3. S3 means product of the roots. 2 3 is a 6, 6 6 is a 36. Okay. So substitute those values. S1 is 11, 11x square. S2 is 36, 36x minus S3 is 36 equal to 0. So this is the another way of doing this problem. Okay, na? Clear? Is it clear to everybody? Yeah. Is it clear? Okay. Now The problem is find the relation between the roots and the coefficients of the cubic equation. 3x cube minus 10x square plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. Find the relation between the roots and the coefficients. So that means you have to find the S1, S2, S3. You have to find S1, S2, S3. See, so first of all, you have to convert this equation into monic polynomial, which is x cube minus 10 by 3 x square plus 7 by 3x plus 10 by 3 equal to 0. Okay. Now, this is in the form of x cube plus s1 x square plus s2x plus s3 equal to 0. Yes or no? Okay. Na? Every monic polynomial can be written in this form. Here s1, s2, s3. So which is the relation between the roots and the coefficients. Okay. Na? Yeah. No, Samata. S1. What is S1? S1 is the minus a1 by a0, which is minus x square coefficient by x cube coefficient. సో నువ్వు లేట్గా జాయిన్ అయ్యావు కదా, థియరీ ఆఫ్ ఈక్వేషన్ చెప్పేటప్పుడు విన్నావు కదా. సో మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను. సో వాట్ ఈజ్ అవర్ polynomial equation? a0 x power m plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus so on plus an equal to 0. So this is the polynomial equation. Okay. Now what is S1? S1 equal to sigma alpha 1, sum of the roots, which is minus x power n minus 1 coefficient, which is minus a1 by x power n coefficient a0. S2 equal to sigma alpha 1 alpha 2, which is a2 by a0 minus to plus 2, minus to plus 2. Okay. So on Sn is the product of the roots pi alpha 1 into alpha 2 into so on alpha n, which equal to minus 1 power n an by a0. An by a0. Yeah. Right. If you convert this into monic polynomial, yeah. So which is x power n plus a1 by a0 x power n minus 1 plus a2 by a0 x power n minus 2 plus so on plus an by a0 equal to 0. Okay, na? Fine. Now here S1 equal to minus a1 by a0, minus a1 by a0. Okay, fine. So in this case, see, so S2 equal to a2 by a0. So on Sn equal to what you have to write? Minus 1 power n an by a0, like this. Okay, na? Right? Now see, here actually what you have to write? If you compare this, the see S1, S2, S3, they will come alternate, na? Plus to minus, sorry, minus to plus, so on. So here you have to write minus, here also minus. Okay, minus to plus, minus minus. S1, S2, S3, Sn come minus plus alternately. So then what is the value of S1? So S1 equal to 10 by 3. S2 equal to 7 by 3. S3 equal to minus 10 by 3. Yeah. Compare this. A1 by A0 minus S1, A2 by A0 S2, An by A0 minus 1 power n Sn, minus 1 power n Sn, like that. Okay. So minus plus so on. Is it clear? Okay. Now, otherwise S1 minus of minus 10 by 3, S2 7 by 3, S3 minus 10 by 3, like that. Okay, good. Yeah. So one more problem. X cube minus px square plus qx minus r equal to 0. Okay. So the roots of this equation are a, b, c. A, b, c are the roots of this equation. Then find the value of, okay, then find 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square. Okay, find 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square. So that is the problem. Okay, a, b, c are the roots of this cubic equation. Then find 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square in terms of PQR. In terms of PQR, that means you have to find the relation between the roots and the coefficient. That is the meaning. Okay. So if you apply the relation between roots and coefficient, then you will get this result. So first of all, you have to write the relation between roots and the coefficients. Okay. Fine. Now first S1. Okay. S1 sigma a roots a plus b plus c, which equal to p. Yeah. Next S2 sigma ab, that is ab plus bc plus ca, which is u. Next S3 equal to pi a, that is product of the roots a into b into c. Pi a means a into b into c, which is so minus of minus plus r. Yes or no? Here you have to write minus of minus p q. Here minus of minus r. Okay, fine. So now what you have to find? You have to find this expression. So first of all, simplify this expression. So that equal this equal to, yeah. So what is LCM? So LCM is the a square b square c square, a square b square c square. Now this is b square c square plus a square c square plus a square b square, numerator. Yeah. Now this is equal to, so in numerator, this is of the form a square plus b square plus c square. A square plus b square plus c square, which can be written as ab plus BC plus CA whole square minus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA by ABC whole square. Is it clear? This is A square plus B square plus C square. ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్లో మనం మొత్తం ఆ రిలేషన్ చెప్పుకోను, గుర్తుందా? ఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బి స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ సి స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ ప్లస్ బి ప్లస్ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 2 ఇంటూ ఏబి ప్లస్ బిసి ప్లస్ సి. ఓకే, ఇస్ క్లియర్? ఏ ఫార్ములా ఇచ్చేసింది ఇక్కడ? ఏ ప్లస్ బి ప్లస్ సి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫార్ములా? ఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బి స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ సి స్క్వేర్ minus 2ab minus 2bc minus plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So this is the formula. So ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఈ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ కావాలి. ఈ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ కావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? a plus b plus whole square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. Is it clear? Now substitute the values. So this is equal to AB plus BC plus CA is nothing but sigma AB. Sigma AB which is equal to Q square minus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. Which is Q by ABC R. యాడ్ మిస్టేక్ చేసినాము. సరిపోయింది ఇది. ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఈజ్ ఓకే. ఇది సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి? You will get one more term also here. You will get one more term which is 2 into ABC, right? Here a small mistake. This one is AB plus BC plus CA whole square minus 2ABC into A plus B plus C will come. Remember, because say 2AB square C, 2AB square C. Okay, I will explain completely. See, this can be written as AB plus BC plus CA whole square, okay, minus 2ABC into A plus B plus C by ABC whole square. Now it's clear, because if you expand this, what you will get? A square B square plus B square C square plus C square A square plus 2AB square C plus 2BC square A plus 2CA square B. If you expand this, you will get this one. Okay. Now here ABC, ABC, ABC take common. 2 into ABC into A plus B plus C. Right? So this expression equal to AB plus BC plus CA whole square minus 2ABC into A plus B plus C. Okay, fine. Now, so what is the value? So this is equal to AB means Q square minus 2 into what is ABC? R. What is A plus B plus C? Which is P by ABC means R. ABC means R. Yeah. P square, no, Q square. Look it. Q square minus 2PR, not P, Q. Okay. sigma AB. Okay. Fine. Yeah. Okay. Next two. Next problem. X cube minus px square plus qx minus r equal to 0. Find the sum of the squares and the sum of the cubes of the roots. The problem is find the sum of the squares and sum of the cubes of the roots. So that is, if the roots are alpha, beta, gamma, what you have to find? Sum of the squares of the roots, alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square, and sum of the cubes of the roots, alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube. So sigma alpha equal to P, sigma alpha beta equal to Q, pi alpha equal to R. So let me know the answer, this one and this one. Quickly. How can I write this expression? A square plus b square plus c square can be written as a plus b plus whole square minus 2 into a plus b plus whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay na? So you have to write minus 2 alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Yes? Clear? The formula for this one is alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus 2 alpha beta plus 2 beta gamma plus 2 gamma alpha. That will be cancelled. You will get remaining terms like that. Now this is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma, which is sigma alpha, which is p square minus 2 into what is it? Sigma alpha beta q minus 2q. Yeah. What about this? This can be written as, or you remember this formula? A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So this is the formula. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to this one. Now you have to find this value. That means minus 3abc move to right side. Okay na? So how can we write this one? Alpha plus beta plus gamma into alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square minus alpha beta minus beta gamma minus gamma alpha minus move to right side which is plus 3 alpha beta gamma. Is it clear? This is the formula. Okay. By using this formula, we can write this like this one. And now, so you know the value of this one, but you don't know this value. Again, you have to convert this into like this. That is, the value of this one is p square minus 2q. Substitute this one, which is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma, which is p. Now, this part is p square minus 2q. P square minus 2q minus, this is minus of alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, which is this one, q, plus 3r, so which is equal to p into p square minus 3q plus 3r. Clear? Is it clear to everybody? Okay, if alpha, beta, gamma are roots of x cube plus px square plus qx plus r equal to 0, okay, then find sigma alpha square, sigma alpha cube, sigma 1 by alpha, yeah, sigma alpha square beta square, alpha plus beta into beta plus gamma into gamma plus alpha. Okay, na? So this is homework problem. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this cubic polynomial equation, find sigma alpha square, sigma alpha cube, sigma 1 by alpha, sigma alpha square beta square, alpha plus beta into beta plus gamma into gamma plus alpha. Okay. So one more, sigma 1 by alpha square beta square, okay. So this is the homework problem.